Hi guys, this is going to be a clean workout motivation, and then I'm also going to have like a healthy food idea in here. I have been using my portion control bowls to eat healthier. I'm not doing this like perfectly, like I'm not eating a cookie here and there and stuff like that, but I am just trying to get back on track like I've been saying in previous videos. And so on this particular night, I had this salad, which my appetite is not fully back yet, but I have been working out and eating healthier. I actually have a fitness motivation page on Instagram. I will link it down below if you're interested in following that. I am not perfect. I don't eat perfect all the time, but I do know when I track this kind of stuff, it helps. So I'm just cleaning up my kitchen and gonna have some motivation in this video for you. If you're new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids, and I like to do cooking, cleaning. I do hauls on here. I do a little bit of fitness on here. Just about everything that pertains to my life, because my channel is Ivy Howell, which is my name. So if you like any of those kind of things, if you need some workout motivation or some healthy food recipes, that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, stick around, and stay tuned for more. So I am doing what is called Turbo Jam, and this is an old workout, but this workout is one of my favorites. I used to do this workout after I had my son. This was like 15 years ago. He's 15 now, but I did this workout and I lost like 50 pounds in a month. So I'm just trying, like I said, to get back on track. And I really love kickboxing. So check out Beachbody's workout programs. Turbo Fire, Turbo Jam, Hip Hop Abs. Those are the things that I used to do. What I've been doing lately is just like doing a 30-minute walk on my treadmill and then some cardio, kickboxing, and then I end the day with some kettlebells. So that is what I've been working on lately. Okay, so this is my dinner. These bowls, I mean, this lighting is so bright. It's 1 cup of lettuce. This cup right here is protein. So I have like 4 pieces of turkey. And then I'm going to have feta cheese in this. Either Italian dressing. I don't know what kind of dressing I'm going to do yet. So here's my feta cheese. And I'm going to put some mushrooms in there. Because this is veggies. You can have 2 veggies. I might put some mushrooms and some red onions. But I'm having a turkey feta cheese salad for dinner. So this is 1 cup. There's my lettuce. Here's my turkey. I decided to go with mushrooms. This is a lot, really, when you think about it. And then I just topped up a few pepperoncinis. I think that's what you call them. And then I'm going to add my cheese, my feta cheese. So now I have my feta cheese on there, and I have all of my stuff, my salad dressing. So that's my dinner.